We are creating the area of the circle program. So let's enter inside the main function. So first we have to enter the radius. As we know, the area of circle formula is pi r square. So we have to provide the radius as an input. So I created creating the variable r, and its data type should be float because the radius we are entering should be in the form of a decimal point. After that, I have to display one message. That's why I'm using the printf function, and the message is enter the radius. After displaying that message, we have to provide the input from the keyboard. That's why we are using the scanf function. Inside that, we are representing the float data type. That's why I'm using the %f, and it is representing the address of radius. So the radius entered by us will get stored in the variable r. After that, again I have to display one message before calculating the area of the circle, and the message is area of the circle is. Okay, the area will be represented by %f, and the formula used for the area of circle is pi r square. Here the value of pi is 3.14 into r into r. That's it. Area of the circle program is completed. Now we have to save it. Control S and run it. Okay. Here the message is displayed. Enter the radius. Now I'm entering the radius, that is 4.9 something, and enter. Here is our answer. Area of circle is 75.391403.